What's up, Pelanas fam? Manuel here and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today guys, we're gonna be doing a massive Adidas unboxing. Let's go! Okay guys, as I mentioned, we're gonna be doing another massive unboxing. We're gonna be unboxing a total of 9 sneakers. Yes, 9 Adidas sneakers. Adidas lang to guys. So, karamihan ng mga i-unbox natin today is mostly for basketball. Pero meron din tayo mga pang lifestyle. But anyway, before natin continue tong video na to, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away up to 15 sneakers, 15. And including dun sa 15 na yon ay 2 Jordan 1s at isang YEEZY. All you need to do is check out the description box down below and follow every single one of the mechanics. Anyway guys, hindi na natin papatagalin to. Ito na yung ating malupitang unboxing. Puro Adidas to guys. So simulan natin dito, no? Itong sapatos ito ay tinatawag na Dame 6. Hindi pa to, actually this pair, hindi pa siya nare-release sa mga stores dito sa Philippines. Pero I was fortunate enough to get a pair of these. So these are called the Dame 6 na collaboration with Stone Cold Steve Austin guys. So, ewan ko kung may kilala pa sa inyo kay Stone Cold Steve Austin ha. Si Stone Cold Steve Austin, ano yan, wrestler yan, WWF or WWE na yata by that time. Na sikat, super sikat na wrestler bago pa naging sikat si The Rock. So, ayan, ito yung sapatos na to. Dame 6 na Stone Cold Steve Austin. So guys, ayan nakalagay yun. Dame 6 3:16. Yung 3:16 na yan yung palaging verse yan sa Bible na palaging yung fina-follow ni Stone Cold Steve Austin. So anyway guys, ito yan. Stone Cold Steve Austin na Dame 6. Sobrang solid nito. So wala pa ako nakikita nito sa mga stores, no? Pero tayo meron na guys. So anyway, ewan ko by this time siguro baka meron na. Pero I'm not sure. Pero at the time na kinuha ko to, wala pa akong nakikita ng ibang meron ito. Anyway guys, ito yung Dame 6 na Stone Cold Steve Austin. Up next guys, we have a Harden Volume 4 sneaker. So ito yung white box niya. At ang laman niya ay boom! Ayan, this is the Harden Volume 4, part of the Sukasa pack. And this is the LA Lakers colorway. So ayan. So as you can see, it's purple and gold or yellow. Diba? Parang Lakers talaga yung colorway niya. Panalo din guys. So ang combination of colors is parang violet, purple, black, yellow. Diba? So panalo rin to. Tapos may extra laces pa siya na black. Ay hindi pala siya black. Actually it's violet. Violet na extra laces. So panalo to. Ayos din. Harden Volume 4, part ng Sukasa pack. Ang kagandahan dito guys, nakuha natin to ng 50% off dahil sa mga recent sale ng Adidas. And actually, hindi lang to yung kinuha natin na part from the Sukasa pack, no? We got all 4 of them. So I'm gonna show it to you one by one. Up next guys, as I've told you, meron tayong kinuhang lahat ng Sukasa pack. So ito yung isa pa. This is the OKC colorway. So ito panalo rin to guys. Panalo rin tong OKC colorway na to. Yung combination of blue, orange, yellow, tapos may black, diba? Tapos yung extra laces niya, black, nandito. So, ang ganda rin ito. Part din to ng Sukasa pack. At nakuha rin natin at 50% off, guys. So, sobrang mura na, no? And this one was just released parang a month ago or even less than a month ago na na-release to. Tapos, meron na tayo kaagad, guys. 50% off. Ayos na ayos. Sobrang solid na deals. Guys, ito yung next. Siyempre, 4 nga yung Sukasa pack ng Volume 4 na Harden. So, this is the third one. And this is the Phoenix Suns colorway. So, itong Phoenix Suns colorway na to, isa na namang solid. So, medyo simple lang pero solid, guys. I like the pop of orange. Tapos, ang ganda ng combination niya, parang purple, orange, and gray. Diba? Tapos, meron siyang extra laces na orange dito. So, panalo rin itong Phoenix Suns color. Hindi ganun ka sobrang flashy pero may pop yung orange niya. So panalo guys. Solid din to. At 50% off din natin nakuha. So sobrang panalong deal guys. So from 7,000 naging 3,500 na lang. Kaya kinuha na natin yung lahat ng colorway nung Sukasa pack, no? So anyway, this is the Phoenix Suns colorway, part of the Sukasa pack nitong Harden Volume 4. So guys, ito na yung last. So you probably, yung mga palaging nagpo-follow sa channel natin, you probably know what is this. So ito yung, syempre, Golden State colorway. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, yung blue and yellow, because this is like my favorite color back in high school. No, high school ako, yan ang hilig kong kulay talaga eh, yung blue and yellow. So, ewan ko, parang nauso rin yata yan that time. So, ito yan. Diba? Ganda guys. Ganda nung colorway ng Golden State. So, ito guys, meron siyang kasamang yellow laces na extra, diba? It comes with blue, pero may extra na yellow. So, again, part ng Sukasa pack to. Ito naman yung Golden State colorway, no? So, combination of blue, yellow, white, panalo guys. So, anyway, nakuha rin natin to ng discounted price, 3,500 pesos. So, actually, lahat ng mga sneakers na i-unbox natin ngayon, super good deals natin nakuha, no? Yung iba, lagpas retail, but still good deal compared dun sa price niya sa market. So, itong unboxing ito, massive haul or massive unboxing ng mga sulit or mga great deals na nakuha natin. Okay? So guys, tapos na tayo dun sa mga basketball sneakers na in-unbox natin. Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa mga lifestyle or running. So ito, black box. This is actually an Ultra Boost 20. First time ko magkakaroon ng Ultra Boost 20, and this is it. Yan, bam. Ang ganda nito guys. Sobrang simple lang siya, black and white, as yung pop na orange. So I like the ganitong klaseng mga colorways eh. Yung papansin pero subtle lang. So ito yan guys. Ayos na ayos, diba? Syempre nakuha na natin to at 50% off sa mga sale ng Adidas, no? So panalong panalo to. At first, I wasn't a fan of the Ultra Boost 20 kasi parang they changed the back part, diba? It's no longer knit or prime knit. Naging parang neoprene na lang siya. Pero especially yung mga unang colorways na lumabas, hindi ko masyadong gusto yung unang colorways na lumabas. But then they released tong recently, ang dami nilang mga magagandang colorways na nilabas, and yun, nagustuhan ko sila ulit. Especially ito, kasi simple lang, hindi masyadong mapansin, matindi lang yung pop ng orange niya. Anyway guys, nakuha rin natin to at 50% off guys. So panalong panalo. Ultra Boost 20, my first Ultra Boost 20. Okay guys, so ito yung next natin. Hindi ito Ultra Boost 20, pero kamukha siya ng Ultra Boost 20, no? This is called the Ultra Boost Summer Ready. So ito siya guys. So makikita nyo, napakasimple lang, black and white sneakers. Pero panalo to guys, kasi summer ready nga siya. So kung hindi nyo alam yung summer ready, parang ginawa to ng Adidas, parang to prepare everyone for summer. Kasi nga, sobrang breathable nitong sneakers na to, no? So kung makikita mo, may pagka see-through siya. So panalong-panalo rin itong sneakers na to. And gustong-gusto ko pa yung colorway niya kasi simple lang, hindi siya ganun ka papansin, 'di ba? So kung gusto ko mang konting papansin, gagamitin ko yung Ultra Boost 20. Kung gusto ko naman relax lang, trabaho lang, eto, itong summer ready guys. Sobrang breathable pa, hindi mainit sa paa, ang gaan-gaan. Tapos parang ano siya, full knit siya compared sa Ultra Boost 20. Anyway, I'll be doing a separate review on these sneakers. Actually, sa lahat naman ng sneakers na in-unbox natin, gagawa natin yan ng separate review. And then ito, tsaka yung Ultra Boost 20, gagawa natin ng comparison review. Okay guys, so this is the Summer Ready. I also like the other two colorways that they released, yung pero parehas white, so medyo madumihin. I was hoping na mag-release sila nito, and then ito na nga. So nung nakita ko siya, mahirap na pakawalan, especially at 50% off. Game na kagad yan. So kinuha ko na kagad to, panalong panalo, Ultra Boost Summer Ready. Okay guys, itong next two na i-unbox natin, medyo bigatin na to, no? So this one I didn't get for retail. Resell ko na sila nabili, pero good deals naman. So this one is a YEEZY 700, but it's not the 700 V1 or V2. This is the YEEZY 700 minivan, so or MNVN. So buksan natin siya. Bam! So ito yung black na colorway. Bakit ko kinuha yung black, hindi yung orange, hindi yung yellow, hindi pala yellow, yung neon pala, neon or yung bone? Well, kinuha ko itong black kasi ito yung colorway ng lifestyle sneakers, diba? Kung nakikita nyo naman yung shirt natin, black and reflective guys, diba? Ito, black and reflective din to, diba? Ewan ko kung napapansin yung reflective from the lights. Pero reflective material din to. And then black. Yung 700 na dito, reflective yan. So, sobrang panalo to. I've been looking for these sneakers na good deal for the longest time. And finally, I got it. Na sobrang sulit din yung presyo niya. Almost close to retail lang. So, okay na okay na. Kinagat ko na kagad. Kasi this one goes to parang almost 20,000 pesos. Umabot ng 20 plus thousand pesos yung price nito. And nakuha lang natin siya ng below 20,000 pesos. So, sobrang sulit na, no? So, this is the YEEZY 700 MNBN, no? So, ito talagang definitely a keeper. Kasi matching nga siya sa colorway natin, no? Ng lifestyle sneakers. Anyway, let's move on dun sa last natin na i-unbox, guys. So, itong last natin na i-unbox, medyo solid din talaga itong sapatos na to. At ito siya. So, this is the Quantum or the YEEZY Basketball Quantum. Pero marami akong nalilito kasi ako dito sa Quantum na to kasi iba-iba yung parang pinopromote or minamarket nila itong sapatos na to. But anyway, I'll be doing that on a separate video kasi I'll be comparing these sneakers dun sa iba natin. Dito sa kabila. So anyway, ito na siya. Buksan na natin. So ito yung Barium. Yan. So ito guys, nakuha rin natin to at a very good rate. 20,000 plus din ang price nitong sneakers na to sa resale market, but we only got it below 20,000 pesos, no? So sobrang solid na rin itong deal na to, itong YEEZY Barium na to. Panalong panalo rin. So this is marketed as a lifestyle sneakers. So hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala yung basketball, pero kung titingnan nyo guys, sa tag meron siya nakalagay basketball. At kung titingnan nyo itsura niya and itsura nito, parehas, di ba? And this is the performance sneakers or ito yung basketball version ng YEEZY Basketball. Ito naman sa kabila guys, ito naman yung lifestyle version. So, di ba? Medyo magkaiba siya, di ba? Mas awit siya dito sa kabila. Di ba? Yung parang may exoskeletal na cage, di ba? So, anyway, I'll be doing a separate video for that. Gagawa natin ito ng review and then gagawa din natin a comparison between the two YEEZY basketball that I have. So anyway guys, ito na nga yung last nating na i-unbox. No? Ito yung YEEZY Basketball Barium. And yun, nakatapos din tayo ng 9 solid na mga sneakers na na-unbox natin, all from Adidas, no? So ang dami na natin mga na-unbox na sneakers guys. And hindi pa tapos yan, meron naman tayong susunod na unboxing guys. Ito naman, mga Nike. So malulupit na naman to guys. So abangan nyo yan. Lalabas ko siya within this week. Anyway guys, before we end this video, I just want to remind you na meron tayong ongoing giveaway. We're giving away up to 15 sneakers. Yes, 1-5. And kasali dun sa 15 sneakers na yon ay dalawang Jordan 1 at isang YEEZY. All you need to do is check out the description box down below and follow every single one of the mechanics para magkaroon kayo ng chance to win ng isa dun sa 15 sneakers na i-giveaway natin. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.